The foreign exchange market has always been a battlefield of speed, strategy, and psychology. Trillions of dollars move daily, and behind every candle on your chart lies a war between institutions, algorithms, and retail traders. But something has shifted. The edge is no longer just technical analysis or macroeconomic insight. The new weapon dominating the battlefield is artificial intelligence. AI is not just another indicator layered onto your screen. It is a system that learns, adapts, and evolves. Traditional trading strategies rely on fixed rules. If RSI crosses 30, buy. If price breaks resistance, sell. AI goes further. It analyzes massive datasets in real time, price history, volatility patterns, news sentiment, liquidity flows, and identifies probabilities invisible to the human eye. While a trader sees structure, AI sees patterns inside patterns. Machine learning models are now capable of backtesting thousands of strategy variations within seconds. What would take a human weeks of optimization can be completed in moments. More importantly, AI doesn't trade emotionally. It doesn't panic during drawdowns. It doesn't revenge trade. It executes based on data-driven probability, not fear or greed. That emotional neutrality alone is transforming risk management across the industry. High-frequency trading firms were early adopters, deploying advanced algorithms to capture micro-movements measured in milliseconds. But today, AI tools are becoming accessible to retail traders as well. Smart bots can adapt lot sizes based on volatility, filter trades using sentiment analysis, and even pause trading during unstable market conditions. Some systems integrate natural language processing to scan central bank speeches and economic headlines, reacting before most traders finish reading the news. However, AI is not magic. It amplifies strategy, good or bad. A poorly designed model will lose money faster than a manual trader because it executes without hesitation. The real power lies in combining human judgment with machine precision. Traders define the logic, risk framework, and objectives. AI refines execution, optimization, and adaptation. The future of Forex will not belong solely to programmers or traditional chartists. It will belong to hybrid traders, those who understand both market psychology and algorithmic intelligence. The question is no longer whether AI will reshape currency trading. It already has. The real question is whether you will adapt before the market leaves you behind.